The Sealy AK7182 Impact Stud Extractor Set. Removing rusty, broken or stripped studs wastes valuable time and labour too. The solution is to use a Sealy AK7182 Impact Stud Extractor Set. These are designed for use with 3/8 and 1/2 inch square drive impact wrenches. And thanks to their carbon steel casing and chrome molybdenum jaws, they quickly remove studs with ease. Simply slide the jaws over the damaged stud, tighten the jaws, select reverse on your impact wrench, and the stud is extracted. They're supplied in a 2-piece set and are capable of removing studs ranging in diameter from 6 up to 12 millimeters. The Sealy AK7182 Impact Stud Extractor Set. Another excellent addition to the extensive Sealy range.
The body of this engineer's vise is made from cast iron. Its jaws are made from hardened and tempered carbon steel. Unipro slides are installed on the vise to ensure precise and fast running of the moving parts. The vise is fitted with a quick-moving system. By pressing the lever, you can easily move the moving parts to the object you are working on.
The working area can be used for locksmithing.
This engineer's vise also has fixed jaws for gripping pipes. It's also possible to install an additional swivel base that rotates 360 degrees. The Quick Iron Gator engineer's vise stands out due to its modern design and extreme durability.
Hey, I'm Brock, and I want to talk to you about a new ladder from Werner, the multi-purpose Fiberglass Pro. It's extremely versatile, durable, and built for the job site. Let's check it out.
You may think multi-purpose ladders have been around for years, but not this one. It's Fiberglass, and it's from Werner, the pro's choice in ladders.
Many jobs require you to use only fiberglass ladders, and you never know what you'll encounter on the job site.
Let's face it, who wants to load and unload ladders all day? But you know, you might need one of them at some point. The Werner Multi-Purpose Fiberglass Pro is the answer. It's 5 fiberglass ladders in one. It's tough, compact, and OSHA ANSI approved. If you've ever had to navigate stairways and other tight spaces, you know how difficult that can be. And most importantly, it's from Werner. Unlike the competition, you can use it as scaffold bases without the need for extra hinges you'll probably lose or leave in the truck. And of course, it's bright orange for safety and visibility on the job. Made with Werner quality, the Fiberglass Pro features durable, electrically non-conductive side rails for safety when working with or near electricity. It has extra large hinges and shatterproof J-locks, slip-resistant rungs and feet. All these features come together to form an incredibly strong, multi-purpose ladder with a 300-pound load capacity.